Want to turn your landscape shots from May to wow? Stick around. First tip, timing is everything. The time of day you choose to shoot can dramatically affect the mood and quality of your photos. Shoot during the golden hour for that perfect glow. This is the time just after sunrise or just before sunset when the light is soft and warm. Next, use a tripod. It keeps your shots steady, especially in low light. A stable camera is crucial for capturing sharp images. And hey, don't shy away from using filters. Filters can help you manage light and enhance colors. ND and polarizing filters can make your colors pop and control light exposure. For videography, think movement. Slow pans and smooth transitions can make your videos look cinematic. Using tools like gimbals can help achieve that professional look. And don't forget to use the rule of thirds. This simple guideline helps you compose more balanced and engaging shots. It's a game changer for framing your shots. Lastly, practice makes perfect. The more you shoot, the better you'll get. Experiment, explore, and have fun with it. Try different angles, perspectives, and locations to find your unique style. Remember, every great photographer started as a beginner. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and learn from them. Now go out there and create some magic. Subscribe for more tips. Happy shooting. Your journey to mastering landscape photography starts now.